Hello everyone, I'm going to put a series together of getting started plus overview of LinkedIn, how it works. I'm just getting started with it myself. I had an account that I've used before many years ago, and then I kind of went away from LinkedIn, but now I'm definitely interested in coming back to it, and that is why I am putting this whole presentation together. Now, everything that I've learned so far is my own observation and also picking up a course from Justin Welsh, who is a really huge influencer on LinkedIn, and he helps other people start their own businesses, right? What we will be doing in this whole mini course is just going through the elements of what you need to do in order to have a very cool professional LinkedIn profile, right? One thing that you need to know about LinkedIn is that it is a professional network. It used to be known as a resume type of site, basically for job hunting. It is more now as a way to connect people on professional level. You can really easily become an influencer. You will see how in terms of, what we're going to talk about in the upcoming series of videos. And then one thing that you really need to have to become an influencer is really good content that people want to share virally, and knowing who you want to attract into your business. So knowing who your ideal client is. In my opinion, based on everything that I've observed, building your own network is the key here if you want to make LinkedIn work for you. And the second thing is being consistent, which means constantly posting, being engaged with other people as well, which we'll again talk about in the upcoming videos. So this is the overview, which means you will need to optimize your profile. You're going to need to do a couple of things, and we're going to talk about that as well. So let's get started.